Hello everybody. So now I would like to show you view binding. So be careful, view binding and data binding is not the same. It's different. Okay. View binding, it's information on Google documentation. View binding, as you can have the link here, and we will see some information on it to use and to show, and so to make the difference between FindViewByID and ViewBinding. Okay, so first of all, we will use internet to use Plate. You will see. So I guess, okay, that's it. And let's put in Gradle different information as written on the documentation. So in the documentation, you had to put this inside your Android. So copy and paste in your Android. Okay, and let's have the glide implementation. Okay, we will use glide. Just show the image and thank. Okay, now we can close this and this too. Now what we had to do, the main activity. So have a look on the documentation. So you can create some widget in a few minutes. We had to implement depending on the when we are in the activity this information, and we will see too in the fragments after. Okay, there is a difference on the destroy view. Right. So first of all, go to activity XML, and so let's show this, make an ID, TV, text view, man activity. Okay, so let's do something more. So the word, color, Android black, and size, excuse me, size, text size 25. This. Okay, to use guide with an image, so image view, so 150 dB, 150 dB, okay, like this, and so note, not margin, but center, horizontal equal true, and adjust bound true, inside of course true, and scroll type center crop. Okay, so let's paste here, go text view like this, okay, and give it an ID. So image view man activity, right? Let's do progress bar. So I run HTTP, and paste it inside the image view. This like this. Okay, all right. Not a problem like this. And so this progress bar, that big button ID, progress bar, man activity. Okay, and for the last step, let's do scroll view. So parent DP like this. So let's put it above. Yes. Okay, and frame layout, match parent. Okay, setting. Okay, yes. Where is it? So yes, I'll just like this. So inside this. What's happening? Oh, excuse me. 300 TP2, and now it's done. Back to yes, of course. Where is it? So let's do like this first, and that's okay. It's happening. The container. Okay. So now replace the scroll view, match parent, TP, like this side, right? So and above. Right, good. So this, that's okay. Look at an ID. First bar, image view. Yes, what's happening? Description. It's not a problem. So what's happening? Yes. Right. So go back to the main activity, and remember that when you activate the view binding like this, automatically you've got your binding class as, for example, activity main. You've got the same activity main binding with a capital A and M capital M like this. Activity and binding this one, and you can put binding as you want. I'll delete this for the moment, and now I specified on the documentation. Excuse me. Yes. Okay. Fragment, and this you had to set like this. So on binding equal activity binding dot inflate get the old inflator. View equal binding dot root and set content view. Right, and that's all. And now when I run the application for the moment, look, we only have this. Let's have a look. It's not the good one. Sorry. This we've got for the moment hello world that we have inside here. Hello world. So now it's very simple. So dot. Now when you type the building and the dot, so you have your different widget. So the text. You set text. Clicking that. Let's have a look. Boom. And that's done. Now to place the image, it's the same with glide. So use glide dot with, let's put a listener. This dot load. Let's search an image on the web. Yes, for example, this one. So copy the link, place here. Be careful, you've got .pg at the end. Okay, dot listener, new request listener. Right, and now that into building dot image activity. Inside this, with our progress bar, binding dot progress bar main activity dot set visibility dot, and the same here. Yes, as you can see, it's very simple. Let's run it. Yes, of course, internet problem too. So as you can see that we've got the image and the set text. It's very, very simple. Now in fragment, it's a little bit different. As said on the documentation, so we use this for the activity. Okay, it's the same. So for the set on click listener, we will use it. So in the fragment, it's a little bit different. So we have to implement on create view this, and don't forget to put depending equal null on destroy view. Okay. So in main activity, we had to put a button to open the experiment. Oops, excuse me, it's a button, content, yes, text, open fragment, and give it a ID, button, open fragment, key, and paste here at the top. Right. Okay, and it is the same here. So side on create this example, binding dot open fragment dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and first of all let's have a toast. So it is done. Right, so let's have a look. Yes, it is done. Right, as you can see, it's very, very simple. So now create a new fragment, an empty one. Okay, so delete all of them. Don't need this, not this, and not this, and delete these two. So we will use onCreate view, we will use onView created, and the important thing on destroy. Okay, so as you can see on the documentation, to use on the fragments on create view, we had to parameter this inside on create view, and don't forget to put binding equal null on destroy view. So it is the same about the name, about the fragment blank, like this. So private fragment blank binding, oh sorry, okay, inside on create view. So in the documentation you have to put this down, okay, so and create views. So let's do this, create view. Oh, excuse me. Yes. So yes, it. Okay, right. Okay, of course. So ending equal fragment and binding dot inflate inflator container and false. Then binding dot get root and delete this. Okay, so don't forget to put the binding equal null as specified here, right? So now, so let's do the same. We had to put some formation and widget here. So let's put text view ID tv tower text view not main activity but fragment. So the size 25 is P and color and read back. So let's do that, not match parent but wrap content. Okay, change here to constraint layout, a bit better. So for the moment, let's have a look for the other one. For the image view, let's copy this. So copy, paste, and change to fragment. Delete this and copy the progress bar. Okay, copy the progress bar to fragment. Delete this. Don't forget to change the ID. Fragment. Okay. So now let's put this at the bottom like this and this to 32, right? Now the image view, put it's like this. Okay, design to 16 and paste it inside. this like this. Okay, and we've got an ID, get an ID, and we've got an ID, right? And now it will be the same, but don't forget to event test. So, oh, excuse me, on the set on click list now. So, fragment equal new fragment. Let's do it simple. Fragment manager equal get support fragment manager, and fragment manager dot begin transaction dot replace of dot id dot container. Oops, it's the same as it. Really dot container. Oops. Yes. Excuse me. Fragment and commit. What's happening here? So dot id dot container. It's better. This you had to use don't work. Let's have a look. So ding dot now dot. So oh, it's not working inside. Yes. So I put up my out and yeah, no, it's just an example. So return to layout. So I don't know, I don't know what is not working. Why is it working? Excuse me, I'm tired. So that's okay. And now, so what we have to do on the fragment. Okay, so do the same as main activity. So let's copy all of this and paste here on view created. And now we have to change. So TV fragment, progress bar fragment, variable fragment, view fragment. So sorry, this is a mistake. We don't want this. Right, so now let's have a look, and we have the same image, okay, to show. So the activity, and now this is the fragment with the image and the text. So as you can see, it's very simple to use binding. Be careful about, as they say on the documentation, that where is it? In most cases, ViewBinding replaces ViewBy and FindViewByID, but I think in this case it's not working. Right, so for the other thing, it's very simple to use, as you can see. Don't have necessary to put your FindViewByID. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and see you soon for another one. Okay, so bye bye.